Dear students, today we will discuss the electrocyclic reactions. We have already discussed it is concerted interconversion of conjugated polines and cycloalkenes. We have an example that is open chain compound, and there is a conjugation observed. Okay, alternate double bond is observed. It will be converted through cyclic rotation of these pi bonds. You will obtain the cycloalkyl. Okay, the reaction is the reversible reaction. It may be allowed, thermally allowed, or photochemically allowed reaction. Okay, uh, it it is depends. Okay, what condition is there, which system is there. The system decides whether it is for photochemically allowed or thermally allowed. H mu is the photochemically allowed, and that triangle is the thermally allowed. Okay. The second example, we have the closed chain cycloalkenes. Okay, it gives the ring opening reaction. Okay, it is again an electrocyclic reaction. Okay, from closed chain compound you will obtain the open chain compound. Okay, in this case we will observe, when we observe the open chain compound, there are the three pi bond is observed. In this case 2 pi bond is observed. If 2 pi bond is there, the system is the 4q system. If 3 pi bond is there, the system is the 4q plus 2 pi system. Okay, and from that system we will decide whether the reaction is the thermally allowed or HMU allowed. Okay, therefore we have discussed that all electrocyclic reactions are reversible reactions. Open chain partner of the reaction is always a conjugated system, whereas cyclic partner may or may not contain conjugated system. Okay, by observing these two reactions, in first reaction, that is open chain compound, and open chain compound is always conjugated one. Okay, we have noted here the open chain partner reaction is always conjugated, but the closed chain, that is the second one, is a closed chain partner, but it is not a conjugated one. But in this case, the closed chain partner, only these two bonds are conjugated one. Okay, therefore in a closed systems or cyclic partners may or may not contains conjugated systems. Okay. In these two reactions, uh, either ring is formed or either ring is open. Okay, or either ring is broken. Okay, two conclusion we have derived here, that is the in electrocyclic reaction either a ring is formed with generation of a new sigma bond and loss of pi bond. Okay, in this case, when a ring is formed, there is a new sigma bond is formed. Okay, when we consider this system, okay, there are first sigma bond, second sigma bond, and third sigma bond, pi bond, and two pi bond is there. And after it gets converted into closed or cyclic system, then there is a, okay, four sigma bond is formed. Okay, extra one sigma bond is formed from when system goes from open chain system to the closed system. Okay, reactant to the product, open chain reactant to the closed chain product, and one pi bond is lost. Okay, all right. Or second way, a ring is broken with the loss of sigma bond and gain of one pi bond. If suppose, okay, if suppose our starting material is the cyclic one, and okay, your product is obtained like that. Okay, in this case there are the four sigma bond is there and one pi bond is there, and in open chain compound three sigma bond and two pi bond. Okay, in this case ring is broken with loss of sigma bond. Okay, four sigma bond, then one loss of sigma bond is there and gain of pi bond. Okay, we have discussed the reaction is either reversible one. Okay, reaction is reversible one. Okay, it may either goes forward from cyclic system to the open chain system, or it may goes from open chain system to the cyclic alkane system. Okay, now we have discussed the types of systems. Okay, that is the 4q system or 6 pi systems. We will discuss it later. It's important thing. Types of the systems. Now by observing this, we can uh, classify the electrocyclic reaction into two categories. Okay, electrocyclic reaction classified into two categories. First is the electrocyclic opening of ring. Okay, like that way. If suppose this is your starting material, there is a electrocyclic opening of the ring takes place. First way. Second type is the electrocyclic closure of conjugated system. Electrocyclic closure of the conjugated system. Okay, again there is a two possible stereochemistries for the ring opening and ring closing of the electrocyclic reaction. Okay, there is two possible stereochemistry for the ring opening and ring closing of electrocyclic reactions. The first is the con-rotatory process, and second one is the dis-rotatory process. Let us discuss about these two uh, processes, that is con-rotatory and dis-rotatory motion in ring opening. Okay, first we will discuss these two processes, that is con-rotatory and dis-rotatory motion in ring opening. Okay, ring opening reaction. After that we will discuss the con-rotatory or dis-rotatory motion for ring closing system. Okay, we have an example. Okay, we discussed it already, that is a cycloalkene closed chain or cyclic cycloalkene. It will give the open chain compound. Okay, by such mechanism you will obtain the open chain compound. Okay, such reaction is the ring opening reaction. What is meaning of con-rotatory? Let us discuss on this. Okay, for this we have to draw the orbitals. Okay, we have already discussed how to draw the orbitals. Okay, this is the that sigma bond is broken of such sigma bond is takes place. Therefore we will draw this sigma bond. Okay, that sigma bond by head to head combination forms the sigma bond. Okay, and this sigma bond is formed positive positive overlap. Okay, this is a sigma bond. Okay, that particular things we have drawn in the form of orbitals. Okay, what is meaning of con-rotatory opening? Okay, that when this bond, okay, that sigma bond is open, then if the orbital moves in the same direction, okay, okay, that particular orbital, okay, this orbital moves like that way, this orbital moves like that way. Okay, same direction, this orbital moves at the same direction, this move this that direction, this orbital moves at this direction. Okay, that such same direction is called as the con-rotatory opening. Okay, if suppose your orbital, that is sigma bond, is there, positive positive negative negative, okay, this orbital moves like that way, and this is orbital is also moves like that, will moves like that, that will move like that. This positive move like that. Okay, same direction movement. Okay, that is the same direction movement of the orbitals. Okay, such is called as the con-rotatory opening. Okay, in this case the direction of opening of orbital is the like that. Okay, like that way it gets open, and such type of opening is called as the, that is anti-clockwise. Okay, such opening, okay, such type of opening, okay, this moves the anti-clockwise, therefore that is your counterclockwise. Okay, instead of anti you can call it as a counterclockwise rotation. Okay, counterclockwise uh, rotation. Okay, after rotation you will obtain, okay, after such that rotation, when that moves you will obtain, okay, ring opening takes place, ring opening takes place. Okay, and okay, after that such, okay, such movement you will obtain, the negative will be at the top, positive. Okay, in this second, or okay, that second orbital, when it moves like that, positive will be at the top one. Okay, okay, such type of opening, when we observe which type of symmetry is there, that negative at the from the center you will obtain negative negative, from this you will obtain, when you move opposite direction, positive, and the positive, you at this position positive position. When you move to through this point, that opposite direction, negative, negative. Therefore, C2 symmetry. Okay, you will obtain the C2 symmetry after the con rotation. Okay, this is the counterclockwise rotation. The second way, clockwise rotation of the this sigma bond. Okay, that is your sigma bond, positive, positive, negative, and negative. Okay, that moves the in this direction. First orbital move in this direction, second orbital move in this direction. Okay, such direction movement. Okay, that is same direction movement, but that direction movement. Okay, this is move like that way. This orbital moves like that. Okay, such type of rotation is a clockwise con rotation. Okay, con rotation is the same. Both orbital moves in the same direction. Okay, such is called as a clockwise con rotation. Okay, therefore, so after such a rotation, when this is move, positive will be at the top. Sorry, negative will be at the top, and when this is move, positive will be at the top. Okay, after the ring opening, you will obtain at this case negative, positive, and positive, negative. Okay, in this case also it is a C2 type of symmetry. Okay, this is also C2 symmetry. C2 symmetry means the center of symmetry. Okay, through the center it will obtain the same type of positive charges and the negative charges. Okay, therefore in such cases also C2 symmetry is maintained during the con rotation. Okay, all right. Okay, now we can define the what is meaning of con rotation. The two atomic orbitals compound components of the sigma bond rotate in the same direction. This process known as con-rotatory motion. Okay, for this the second we have to discuss is the disrotatory motion. Okay, we will take the same example. Okay, that is positive, positive, negative, negative, and this rotatory opening. This rotatory opening of uh, this ring. This rotatory means the opposite side rotation. Okay, this that particular orbitals moves the opposite side rotation. That orbitals moves opposite. Okay, both orbitals moves opposite direction to each other. Okay, after rotation you will obtain, when this orbital moves that direction, you will obtain the negative and the positive, and second orbital negative and the positive. Okay, therefore in this case there is a mirror plane of mirror plane of symmetry is observed. Okay, in this rotatory. Okay, mirror plane of symmetry means when you pass the mirror, it will obtain the two equal parts. That is a mirror plane of symmetry. The second exam, okay, in this case, that first, okay, in this, for this orbital, when your orbital moves like that direction, that is a clockwise motion, and in second, it moves in this direction, that is the counter clockwise motion. So, or secondly, the this rotation can be also is observed like that, positive, positive, negative, negative. Okay, this orbital, okay, that first orbital move in this direction, and this second orbital move in this. Okay, both moves the in opposite direction. Whether it moves like that direction, that is opposite. Okay, these are the opposite direction, or this is the opposite direction, and this is the same direction, con rotation. Okay, like that way, whether it is clockwise or okay, these two are the con rotation and these are the dis rotation. Okay, after the dis rotation, this orbital moves through this and this orbital moves through this, and you will obtain the orbitals. Okay, in this case positive, negative, positive and negative. Okay, all right. In this case also you will obtain the M symmetry. Okay, mirror plane of symmetry. Like that we have discussed. Okay, we have concluded that the atomic orbitals may rotate in opposite direction, one clockwise and other counterclockwise. This process of ring opening is known as disrotatory motion. Okay, if substituents, okay, if substituent present on the carbons of the rotating orbitals may also rotate in the direction of the rotating orbitals. Okay, this is the important things, where from which side your substituent will move after con rotation or the dis rotation. Okay, we have one example. First we will take the con rotation. Okay, such type of example is there. Positive positive is joined, and there is substituent, there is CH3 hydrogen. Okay, trans one CH3 and hydrogen. When there is a con rotation, okay, con rotation may possibly two ways it rotates. Okay, first way it rotates. Okay, this orbital moves this way and this orbital move this way. Okay, first way. After that rotation, okay, when you move like that, okay, when you move like that, your orbitals you can show negative will be at this position, positive will be okay, and this when this orbital move at this side, okay, this orbital that this CH3 is also move at the position of this. Okay, CH3 move at this position, therefore CH3 and hydrogen will move at this position, that hydrogen will move at that position. Okay, that hydrogen second is okay, like that rotation, that positive at the top and the negative at this. Okay, at such rotation your hydrogen will move at this side and the CH3 will take that orbital side. Okay, that CH3 and the hydrogen, like that way your substituents will move. Okay, second type of con rotation, positive positive negative negative. Okay, like that way your con rotation is there, and substituents is the same, CH3 hydrogen H and CH3. Okay, such type of rotation is there. Okay, in this case your rotation is the through this side, and in this case your rotation is the that side. Okay, that is the counterclockwise rotation. First is the clockwise rotation, second is both moves the counterclockwise, but the same direction, that is the con rotation. Okay, during this rotation, okay, already you got the idea where will be your orbitals will move. Okay, when you are in this orbital move that side, the hydrogen will take the position of this orbital, and CH3 will take position of this orbital. Okay, CH3 and hydrogen. In this case, CH3 and hydrogen. Okay, in both cases, the CH3 and CH3 are the trans to each other. Okay, this CH3 CH3 are the trans to each other. Okay, in this case, C2 symmetry. Okay, already we have discussed when Kohn rotation is there, C2 symmetry is maintained. Okay, in this case, therefore, C2 symmetry is maintained. We have second example, the disrotatory motion. Okay, second, we have to discuss. We have such type of example, but in this case, we will discuss the disrotation. CH3, their substituent H and CH3. Okay, first this side will move like that, and this side will move like that. Okay, like that way. It gets rotated. It gets rotated like that. Okay, when this move to this side. Okay, when this move that side, your negative will take that position. Hydrogen will take at that position, and CH3 will take that position. And same we will obtain in this, and you will obtain the negative, positive, negative, positive, CH3, hydrogen, H and CH3. Okay, M symmetry, mirror plane of symmetry is observed. Okay, already we have discussed. If this rotation is there, there will be mirror plane of symmetry. And second way, this rotation we can show like that: positive, positive, negative, negative, CH3, hydrogen, H, CH3. Okay, this moves opposite side. Okay, that side moves like that way, and that side moves like that. Okay, such is the first is a clockwise, and second is a counterclockwise. Okay, such this rotation you will obtain the positive, negative, your substituent. Okay, you are now able to find out the where is your substituent. Okay, in this case also mirror plane of rotation is obtained. Okay, like that way you can also study Kohn rotatory and disrotatory motion in ring closing reaction. Okay, first example we have the your positive, negative, positive, negative, CH3 and hydrogen, CH3, hydrogen. Okay, first is the Kohn rotation. Both are the clockwise Kohn rotation. First is rotate, second is rotate also same direction, that is Kohn rotation. Okay, after when this move to this side, that will be take like that way position, positive, negative, and when this move that side, okay, that will move that side, it will give like that position. Okay, again when at that side, when you rotate like that way, CH3 will take at that position, hydrogen will take this position. Okay, ultimately you will obtain the positive, negative, negative, positive, CH3, hydrogen, CH3, hydrogen. Okay, like that way Kohn rotation. Okay, we also move like that orbitals, and all same for the disrotation, this molecule. One example we will take for the disrotation. Okay, this is your orbital, positive, positive, negative, negative, CH3, hydrogen, CH3 and hydrogen, it will move the opposite to each other. When it move positive positive, okay, this move like that, this move like that, that is a dis rotation. This will combine to each other. Okay, sigma bond is formed from open, positive positive, negative negative, and after the such, okay, this, if this moves, the CH3 will take at that position and that hydrogen will take this position. Same is for this, that CH3 if rotate like that, that take this position CH3, hydrogen will take that position, that is hydrogen and CH3. Okay, same type we will like that rotation we will study and find out where is this substituents will be take position. This is all about the quant rotation and the dis rotation. Okay, from the studying of these things we have uh, find out the selection rule. Okay, okay, selection rule is based our conclusion that when this rotation is there, their mirror plane of symmetry is maintained, and when quant rotation is there, there is a C2 symmetry observed. Okay, from these 2 points we have obtained the selection rule. Okay, this selection rule is important to find out whether the reaction is thermally allowed or photochemically allowed. Okay, number of pi electron system, 4q system and 4q plus 2 system. 4q system, this is a quant rotatory. If thermally if allowed, this will be the quant rotation. H mu this rotatory, this rotation. If H mu 4q system is there and you obtain your condition is the photochemical, then there should be the this rotation is there. And again this rotation, if thermal condition and 4q plus 2 system, this rotation will be there. And a quant rotation, if system your reaction is the photochemically allowed, and the system is 4q plus 2, then there should be the quant rotation. Okay, this is all about the quant rotation and dis rotation. Thank you very much.